So Renuva injections can be reversed. If it's early, you can use a very dilute steroid injection to stop the effects. If it's later and there's already fat there and increased volume, then you have to treat the fat. And of course, you can treat fat in many different ways. You can freeze it away. You can use deoxycholic acid to break it down. You can, of course, liposuction it out. But that's exceptionally uncommon because Renuva does not cause an overgrowth of fat. It creates approximately 50% of the volume that's been injected of the Renuva product itself. So if you put in 1 cc, you get about a half a cc of permanent fat volume. If you put in 10 cc's, you get about 5 cc's. I've never been in a position where I've had to remove the fat cells caused by Renuva injections. So I would say that would be exceptionally unlikely that you'd actually have to do something like that. And compression hose would not help. I do not believe that would actually help. So MTF, the company that makes Renuva, does not intend Renuva to be used in large volumes, by the way. So again, very unlikely. However, they are working on a product for that specific use for larger volumes. It's not on the market yet.